and today I'm going to share with you another exciting recipe from the mango. Today we're going to be making a dessert. This one is really easy to make and you only need 3 ingredients. So rather than just eating your mango, I'm going to elevate mango today as we make mango mousse. So let's go over the ingredients. We have half cup of mango pulp. Now we would have cut the mango, scraped off all the pulp from the insides and off of the seed. Then we blended it to make it nice and smooth. 1/4 cup of condensed milk. And 3/4 cup of whipping cream. First step is to add the condensed milk to our mango pulp. Just stir it to make sure everything is as it should be. Now we're going to add it and combine it to make sure everything is all together, homogeneous and smooth. Now we can set this aside. Then we'll go on to our whipped cream. So we're going to add our whipped cream to a large bowl. Then we're going to create some stiff peaks. Now our whipped cream is ready. We would have whipped it for about 4 minutes until it got nice and stiff. Now we're going to add our mango pulp a little at a time. We're going to get our hand mixer again. And then we're going to use the spatula. Our mango mousse is almost done. All we need to do now is to put it into a nice receptacle and allow it to freeze for about 2 hours. Our mango mousse is done. It smells so good. It looks very similar to ice cream, but it's mousse. Now it's time to taste. So creamy, so delicious. One tip, when choosing the mangoes that you're going to use for your mango mousse, be sure to use the mangoes that are not fibrous because you don't want to be tasting the fibers after eating your nice smooth mousse. Perfect for children's parties and special events. Mango mousse, now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this mango recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other mango recipes, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.